Hi everyone, this is Madison Taylor here. In this video today, I want to be showing you guys a very special bag to me. I've had it for quite a while right now, and it seems to be coming kind of back in popularity, which is the Prada canvas tote bag. So I actually got this as a gift from my mom. She had it probably in the early 2000s to 2010, and I thought it would be a perfect addition to my closet. It fits a lot of stuff, and especially, I guess, popular now that Prada almost had a resurface with the re-edition nylon bag, but wanted to show you guys another variation, also what fits inside this bag. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into the video. Big reveal. This is the Prada canvas tote that I own. So if you take a look at it over here, it's kind of got this black, white, orange, and blue kind of color scheme going on over here. Of course, with the Prada logo. This thing, I mean, is brand new. It has been worn maybe 3 or 4 times. It is in pristine condition, no marks on the inside, nothing on it too. We took very good care of this bag. So this is the front of it. This is the back, and the cool thing about this bag is you got the closures on the side over here, so you can either expand it or close it up depending on how much stuff you could put in. It is a top handle bag. There are no crossbody straps, so if you're going to carry one of these, just keep that in mind. I do find it's really compact because you could definitely shove this thing, shove it to fit in a suitcase or any other kind of bag you want to bring with you for a carry-on. And then at the bottom over here, like you could see, it's got the grommets on the side over here. It doesn't have a lot of shape because it's canvas, but again, keep that in mind if you're looking at to buy something like this. There's no leather at the bottom, so keep in mind for the canvas if you're going to keep it clean. But yeah, this is the canvas bag. It's super cute. I think you could definitely get a lot of wear out of it. The floral print, there's plenty of these online that you can go and probably buy a resale bag, but this is just a quick high level of what is this bag looks like on. So I wanted to give you guys a little bit of inside view of this, and then we'll show you what can all fit in this bag, more like a what's in my bag kind of video than anything else. But again, this is canvas. The whole inside of the bag is in fact canvas. So this, I'll open these up so you guys can see a little bit better view of this. But keep in mind, it is all canvas. So if you're gonna have something on here, whether it be makeup or, you know, product, liquid, lipstick, whatever it is, keep in mind it's canvas, so it's going to be a little bit harder to clean. So this is in basically pristine condition. It's got a ton of storage in here. If you look at it, it's got the Prada logo over here, a zipper with the gold hardware, and just some additional pouches to put everything. But this is basically what it looks like as a blank, but you could fit, I mean, again, a ton of stuff in here. You could fit a laptop, your makeup pouches, anything, literally anything in here. It's got tons of room, and then you just carry it like this. And also in terms of weight, because it is canvas, it's actually pretty light. It's not super heavy. It's not like very lightweight, probably like the nylon would be, but it's got some sturdiness to it, but not as heavy as like a metal or anything else. So again, let's go ahead and just kind of show you what can all fit in this bag. So imagine yourself sitting by a pool, you're on a work trip, but you get a little bit of time to relax, and you want to know what is all going to fit in this bag, especially as a luxury designer purchase. So I want to give you an idea of exactly that. This bag is completely full of everything. I actually just got back from a trip, so I thought it would be appropriate to show you what all I basically can fit in here. So I went ahead and closed it as you see over here, and again, a lot of stuff is going to fit in this bag. So first off, you can open or close this depending on how much room that you need. But this, again, will show you just how much stuff can actually fit in this purse. So it's a great utilitarian carry-all bag, if you would. So first off, if it's a laptop, this is a MacBook Air or MacBook Pro 13, and you definitely have space to fit this inside of this bag. Second of all, any makeup pouches. So this is just kind of like my medicine, hair ties, some ibuprofen, anything you gotta need. This is on this little pouch in case I need it, especially for travel. This next one is my chargers. So laptop charger, phone charger, every charger you think of basically fits in this pouch, and that's what I can just kind of easily throw inside over here. Next up is a makeup bag. So like I mentioned, it is canvas, so keep that in mind. I would definitely recommend not just throwing like lipstick or makeup brushes in there. Put it in a protective bag that's gonna hold basically cosmetics and prevent you from getting anything ruined on the inside. That includes like pens or any other thing that's gonna leak interior of the bag because it's that cream canvas color. So again, makeup bag, and then finally wallet, whatever size wallet you have. This is just one of mine, but keep in mind, wallet, we'll throw it back in there to give you an idea. So wallet, makeup bag, another bag. Might be a little hard to do if I tilt this, but bag, my extra pouch, and then again, my MacBook Pro. Super easy. You can fit all of it in there. It goes on just fine. Just imagine, again, you're walking in the pool or whatever you're at. You can basically fit this all, and it's a great travel bag as well. I wanted to come over here and show you what the bag actually looks like. So again, keep in mind, there are no shoulder straps on it. It is a top handle bag, but this is everything that was inside of this bag. So you can see you got pouches, computer, wallet, anything in there, but you can't really tell once you have it on. So this is how I would just wear it. It's a great kind of carry-on bag. And then it lists, you can see from the sides over there, these clothes, and then the back. But it's a great pop of color, especially during the summer, or you need something a little bit bright and more fun. But this is what the bag looks like on. Thank you guys again for watching, and this was Madison Taylor here, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and like and subscribe to the channel. We're doing more videos like this about every week or so, reviewing different items, style tips, and more. So once again, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Take care now.